Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Springday apple black tea in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to my popcorn serving cart, and if you want to make the Springday apple black tea, we need to have this recipe first, the Springday fruit black tea. Once you have the original recipe, you can replace the fruit with apple. So the original fruit is the blueberry, and I'm going to replace it with the apple so we can make the Springday apple black tea. And you will need this Springday brown sugar and also black tea. I mean the tea leaves. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking. Okay, for the recipe guys, you can buy it from Massimo's cooking store. Alright, it's still cooking, and don't forget to adjust the heat level so you can avoid the bizarre food or drink. Okay, done. And I've just made the Springday apple black tea. Okay guys, and that's how we can make this Springday apple black tea in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematics Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.